Hello, my name is Alexis, and I have been a patient with Revive Chiropractic for 9 months now. I really enjoy it here and really enjoy being a patient. So my condition prior to care, I got in an ATV accident. My uncle and I were riding a side-by-side and it flipped. I probably had a severe concussion and some whiplash that I never was treated for. I went a couple of months being okay. I didn't have any pain, and then all of a sudden the left side of my face and the left side of my arm started to go numb. I had pretty severe migraines and severe pain, like neuralgia pain throughout my face. I started care with a chiropractor out west, the same type of chiropractor, and started the journey of healing and getting on the track to wellness. But prior to that, I was experiencing a lot of lightheadedness. I could barely get up and do a load of laundry or do a sink full of dishes. I was unable to work. I was having a lot of just general pain throughout the day in my face and my head, and a lot of, like I said, lightheadedness. It really affected my daily life. I was unable to go out and hike and work and do the things that I love to do. So. The first couple appointments here were very helpful. The first appointment I came in and I got a couple of different exams done. They did a full scan of my back to see kind of where I was, and then they focused in on my neck to see how out of alignment I was, misaligned I was. I was kind of taken through and shown all of the different pieces that were going to be used in my care. The scanner that they use on my neck, the two different tables that they use, and the different techniques to help me get back to feeling better. Things have been wonderful since I started care. I just helped put up a pool in my mother-in-law's backyard, which prior to care, I don't even know if I would have been able to get off the couch. So that was absolutely amazing. I am very happy with the care that I've received, and I'm very happy with the progress I've made. It definitely 110% changed my life. For anyone who's in a similar situation, having any kind of neck or head pain or pressure, you just don't feel right in that region, I would definitely recommend coming to Revive. I wouldn't have known what to do if I didn't go to an upper cervical chiropractor. I probably would still be on the couch. I would be mentally drained from all of it. But if you are in this position, if you're mentally drained, if you're physically hurting, I would say definitely give it a shot. The worst that could happen is you find out more about your body and what's going on and what's wrong. So I would definitely say give them a shot if you're experiencing this similar pain.